Welcome to my math class. I am Mohammed Ali, mathematics teacher. Today we try to solve one question from Cambridge IGCSE Additional Mathematics Paper 2, May-June 2022, 0606 Variant 23, question number 3. There is question. The points A, B, and C have coordinates 2, 6, 61 and PQ respectively. That means this is the A coordinate, that one is B, and the last one is C coordinate. Given that B is the midpoint of AC, find the equation of the line that passes through C and is perpendicular to AB. Give your answer in the form ax plus by equals to c, where a, b, and c are integers. So if we want to visualize this maths graphically, like this is x-axis, that one is y-axis, 2, 6. That means 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is a coordinate. A is 2, 6 and B is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 1. Here will be B, this is 6, 1. Yes, B is the midpoint of AC, so obviously C will be over there. Approximately C will be over there. So this is C, PQ. And we have to find the equation of a straight line which passes through C. Like if it is a straight line, so we want to find out a straight line which passes through C and is perpendicular to AB. So perpendicular to AB means it's also perpendicular on AC. So how can you find it? At first, we want to find out the coordinate of C. So how? SB is the midpoint of AC. So we can write midpoint formula. B is midpoint of AC. So like we know the formula, like A is x1 y1 and like B is x2 y2. If here is another point M, if it is midpoint, the formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the formula for finding the midpoint. So SB is the midpoint, so we can write like this is x1, this is y1, this is x1 y1, here P is x2, Q is y2. So we can write 2 plus P divided by 2. It will be 6 because this value, x value, will be 6 and 6 plus Q divided by 2 equals to 1. So we want to find out the value of P and Q. If we do cross multiplication, we will get 2 plus P equals to 12. P equals to 12 minus 2, it will be 10. Here 6 plus Q equals to 2. Q equals to 2 minus 6, so it will be minus 4. So coordinate of C is 10 minus 4. Now second step, we want to find out the gradient of AB or gradient of AC, same thing. Gradient of AB is, formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it will be 1 minus 6 6 minus 2. So it will be minus 5 by 4. So gradient of AB is minus 5 by 4, or we can say gradient of AC also minus 5 by 4. So any line which is perpendicular on AB, so perpendicular line gradient is negative reciprocal. So perpendicular on AB, perpendicular on AB line gradient is 1 by minus m. That means 1 by 5 by 4, so it will be 4 by 5. So gradient of line which is perpendicular on AB is 4 by 5. So if you want to remember it properly, that means if it is minus 5 by 4, multiply here 4 by 5. That means it's negative reciprocal. Both of these gradient product will be minus 1. Like one line gradient, if it is m, the perpendicular line gradient will be minus 1 by m. Like m multiply minus 1 by m, you will get minus 1. Like one gradient, you get minus 1 by 2. So its perpendicular line gradient, definitely you will get 2. Because minus half multiply 2, you will get here minus 1. In this way, you can remember the gradient. So perpendicular line gradient is 4 by 5. So now what we want to find? We want to find out the line which passes through C. That means in this coordinate of C equals to, we found here 10 minus 4 and is perpendicular to AB. So we can write, so the perpendicular so the equation of perpendicular line, equation of perpendicular line, the formula we know that y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. y1 x1, that means this is the coordinate of C because this line passes through C. So you'll write y minus y1. y1 is here minus 4 equals to m. M is perpendicular line gradient is 4 by 5 and x minus x1. x1 is 10. So it will be y plus 4 equals to 4 by 5 x minus 10. If we cross multiply, so we'll get here 5y plus 20 equals to 4x minus 40. If we write all this term on the left side, it will be 5y minus 4x plus 20 plus 40 equals to 0. So minus 4x plus 5y, when plus 20 go in the right side, it will be minus plus 60. When it's going to the right side, it will be minus 60. So both sides, if we multiply by minus, we will get 4x minus 5y equals to 60. So here you see A is integer, A is here 4, B is here minus 5, and C is also 60. So all A, B, and C are integer form. So thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.